Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to add zero in Excel. Many times, when you enter numbers that start with zero, like a product code or a phone number, Excel automatically removes that leading zero. This happens because Excel interprets the entry as a numerical value, and a zero at the beginning of a number holds no mathematical significance. However, for many types of data, those leading zeros are absolutely essential for accuracy and proper identification. Let's dive into how you can easily prevent this from happening and ensure your data remains exactly as you intend it. Our first method is to format your cells as text. Before you type any numbers, simply select the cells you plan to use. Right-click, choose Format Cells, and then select text from the category list. Now, when you type a number like 00123, Excel will recognize it as text and keep all the leading zeros exactly as you entered them. This is a straightforward way to ensure your data, such as identification numbers or codes, maintains its full integrity from the start. Next, we have the custom number format, which is excellent if you want to maintain the numeric value of your data while still displaying leading zeros. Again, select your cells, right-click, and choose Format Cells. This time, go to the custom category. In the type box, enter a series of zeros corresponding to the total number of digits you want to display. For example, if you need 5 digits, type 5 zeros. Now, if you enter 123, it will display as 00123, but Excel still recognizes it as the number 123. Finally, for a quick and easy fix, especially for individual cells, you can use the apostrophe prefix method. Simply type a single apostrophe, which is the character above the tab key, before you enter your number. For instance, type apostrophe 00123. The apostrophe will not be visible in the cell itself, only in the formula bar, but it signals to Excel that the entry should be treated as text. This is a super fast way to ensure your leading zeros are preserved without needing to adjust any cell formatting.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.